Hi again. We got to the last part of this guideline, and it's about time of record sheets. This is uh, not the most important, but it's a very important tab. This is related to all the requests you receive and you record on this PTO tracker. So basically this is the time of records, and all you have to do first time when you open this time of, let me make it a bit, because I notice now it is not showing on full screen and you're not previewing entirely. Make it 90%. I apologize for that. Make it full screen and maybe a bit smaller because you are still not seeing everything. Now it's fine. Okay, so every time you have a request for a time of request, you have to record it here. First time, after you finish to set up your settings tab, you will have to go here and basically delete the entire dummy data I'm using here. You select the employee name, delete, and you select everything else from here and delete. Please do not uh, delete this column, the ID column, the position, and nothing related to the error handler. Okay, let me just undo what I have deleted previously to work further and explain you how this is going. You see that we have here some small errors because Jessica's Meet is not existing anymore into the list of the clients. I have deleted it into the preview video. So let me update the value for Jessica's Meet. Okay, so let's presume you have a time of request here. Just uh, go in here. If you delete, you start from the first line. But for the sake of this purpose, for the purpose of this video, let me just continue from where I left with this dummy data. So you have a new time of request for your new employee. Let's say your new employee is Olivia Wilson. Do not delete this. It's automatically completed. It's connected to these two columns. Nothing fancy, just a link and some simple formula, but please do not delete this. Okay, select the date, the start date from the request. Let's presume she want Olivia Wilson want want a time off from, let's say, let's go into another month, from October 20 October to 27 October. Okay, the request, the reason for her request is a vacation, and let's presume we approve. Okay, that's all you have to do. You don't have to do anything else. Just record the name of the employee, the start date, the end date, the reason, and approve it or not. Okay, once you have approved her request, let's go into the month of October. Let's go employee per year and select, it was about Olivia Wilson. Olivia Wilson here, and we will see that in month of October she has the vacation approved and display and counted to the tracker. Uh, let's go into the next tab, employee per month, and select October, and we will see that Olivia Wilson has approved vacation for the month of October and everything related based on the month selected. I have explained this both tab in my previous video, what you have to do and what it is doing every tab. This video is related to the time of record. So first time, delete this column and these columns and start from the scratch like I'm doing now. Delete everything and start from fresh from your first time of request. Select everything, reason, sick leave, let's go to vacation and approve it. So we have approved for the month of December from 7 to 10 December for Jessica Smith a vacation. Go into the employee per year, go and select Jessica Smith, and we see Jessica is having 3 days vacation into the month of December. And also employee per month, going to December in December and see all the employees per month. We see that we don't have Jessica Smith. Let's select it. She's having 3 days of vacation. Okay, that would be all. The error handler is pretty simple. We have here end date is smaller than the start date. Let's simulate this. So the start date is on 10 December. Let's put 9 of December. Is 7 December, excuse me, not 9. Let's put 6 December, and we see here the error handler is popping up and is telling us that the end date is smaller than the start date and we need to fix it. So we're going back and fix it. We do not have any error handler. The time of overlap, this is indicating that Olivia Wilson has requested 2 time of vacation that is overlapping one to each other, and we will have a cross mark here, and we will need to go and fix that because he can't request 2 time of request in the same time for the same day. And this one, let's go with to simulate this a question mark telling us that this day it is a Saturday, Sunday, or a holiday, and if we want if we really want to record this request, if it's starting or ending in a Saturday, Sunday, or in a public holidays request, because those days based on your company policy might be a free day also. That would be all for the time of request tab. Uh, you can go and fill in all your records up to 1000 records, and everything it will be counted very easy, and you will be able to see every data here in employee per year, employee per month, based only on your selection of month or on your employee. That would be all. That simple it is. Just select an employee, select a start date, select an end date, select the reason, approve it or not, and that is all. You basically don't have to type anything. Once you have set up your settings tab, everything in the settings tab, you don't have to do anything. Just you don't even need the keyboard. Just click, select, double click, select the end date, select from the reason, and approve it or not. That is all. That is so simple. So in case there is something not working because it's have a lot of connection, it's very dynamic, we have checked everything, but you know how it is. No one is perfect. If there are any issues, just let me know and we will fix it, not ASAP, but we will fix it under 5 minutes, everything, and we will get back to you. Thank you. I hope you find this time of tracker useful. I hope you like it, and anything else, just let me know. Thank you. Have a good day.